so sorry for that little start. I was like, what is happening with the phone? I'm a bit technology. If this falls over, I'm really sorry. I've broken my phone mount, so I'm like, oh. Anyway, welcome to another unboxing. I did promise lots of new things after the woolen shopping. So the Olann yarn has just arrived. Well, it arrived yesterday. I'm so good. I didn't open it. Well, I did a little bit. So, just in case you don't recognise me, it is me. I've had my annual haircut, so I don't even know who I am. So just in case you're thinking, oh my goodness, no rat ends. It's just because I've had my one haircut here. So, about to start. I have 2 big boxes. Oh, we'll try to go as quickly as possible because I know people don't have lots of time on a Saturday. But the good news is that there are some amazing things in this. It is all Olann sock light because I find that that's what people really want. So I'll start. So it is amazing. Jess always wraps hers up in beautiful brown paper packages. So it actually is more like kind of an unwrapping. So I'm going to start with one. I don't even know what's in it. It's like a big parcel. So what have we got in this one? I have boxes for all of these to go into as well. Oh my goodness me. I ordered a lot of this. This is, you know what? Let me just check my list. I'm not entirely sure what this is. Right. Ritual. And you can just tell I'm not sure what that is. It doesn't matter. It's very beautiful. Well, I'm like, I will work out what one that is. Aren't they beautiful though? Look at that. Stunning. Oh, it's Oasis. I have it upside down. I'm so dim. Of course. It's Ritual and Oasis. Aren't they beautiful? I went for quite a lot of goldy yarns this time because it's kind of autumn knitting time, even though it's July. Beautiful. Lots of these will be surprises because I've seen them in person. But you know the way you just don't, I never remember ever the colour name. Oh, hello, lovely. This is Moonlit, which I think is just so handsome. Oh my goodness. And then this is Kismet, which is kind of a goldy brown. And this is Moonlit, which is just gorgeous. And they're coming out in packs of 12. So I kind of have 6 of most colours. And then I have 12 of some because, oh, I'll have to make some samples. There's a beautiful Hohi Locatelli pattern. I don't remember the name. Oh my goodness. I should have started with the closer box. Oh my goodness. Yes, I did. I ordered 12 of these because I thought they would be beautiful in that Hohi pattern. I'll share that later when I'm casting on. This is Passe. Isn't this beautiful? It's got a slightly, I'm looking at it now and I'm thinking it has a slight like pink shade in it, but it's mostly that kind of lovely kind of creamy grey, but not grey kind of tone. I'll have great fun photographing those. These are likely to be on the website. These will be on the website probably tomorrow afternoon. If you see anything or there's any colours you want to know if I have, you can drop me a Facebook message or an Insta message or an email or whatever suits you, and I can hold on to those for you. Oh my goodness, I think I've actually bitten off more than I can chew in one opening set. This is Girl Talk. I thought this was a little bit silly. I couldn't resist it. It's like, it's not really, like, it's done in that beautiful Jess's Olann style. Oh, Olann style. Olann is the Irish for wool. Olann style. I said Olann because I know a lot of people say that. But I don't think that's right. But I'll check it with Jess. But it's still really, it's the style, but it's a little bit kind of pink and greens and brights, which aren't as common in her set of colours. And also then this, which is just, you can tell I've gone for like beautiful. This is North Star, which is just so subtle and beautiful. Like the speckling on these is just second to none. They're beautiful and even as I look at them as a set, you can tell they've been dyed as batch. Not, I would always recommend, again, that when you're doing like batches of hand-dyed yarns, you intertwine them, but these are, you can tell these are just been beautifully dyed in the same kind of batches because the consistency is lovely. Always intertwine. I'm too close to the camera. You should see it. It is this giant box of magic that I'm opening from. I have to confess, I also ordered 12 of these because I had to, because I think I need them. This is Olann. Isn't it beautiful? So this is kind of a purple with just pinks and mauves and not even, it might be, it's, yeah, you can kind of see yourself. I have lots of that because I just think it'd be so pretty. Again, in that holy shawl. I'm going to start one, but I think I'm going to do mine in brackish, which is in the next box. I went looking for it yesterday. I was like, I want to see this and have it, and it's beautiful. Oh, the stickers on these things, joy. So this is Veil. This is stunning. So it's just absolutely beautiful. They're so muted, and I just think they're so beautiful. They'll go together so well with one another. And then this is Moth, which is this subtle kind of, slightly kind of pale peachy colour through it with the kind of black, grey and white look. It's just awesome. Then, also have more. My bag is going to be killing me now. I know it's when you're getting ready for a show and it's like, oh, well, that yarn is really light. Not when there's kilos of it. This is Field. And like I can already see a few friends for Field in the set I put forward. The yellow ones, look at that. And that looks like beautiful Fields. There's a beautiful green, gold, pink tone in that. It looks exactly like it says on the label. And this is Early. So this is beautiful kind of, I really need to learn my colours a bit more. I've learned that since dyeing. And from looking at yarns, you're like, I need a better range of what I know colours to be. But there's that kind of aqua tealy colour through this, which is beautiful. Feel. Then it's like Christmas. Oh, look at this. Cognac. I had to have this when I saw it. Like, you can see why. It's just the most beautiful rust, gold, orange colour. Semi-solid. Just perfect. I don't stock a lot of semi-solids from other dyers because I find that they don't sell as well because you don't really know what people will need as a contrast, but I could not resist that. And then this is Salacia, which is this beautiful aqua colour with beautiful greens through it. Absolutely astonishing. We are still a long way to go. I will put up on Facebook, as soon as I have all the photographs taken, I'll put up a library of them with all their names as well, so that you don't have to log on to the website and click through. You can see them here on the site. This is astonishing. This is Underwater Ballet. That is just, it's kind of a, it's a beautiful kind of grey, but you would almost sort of say blue with a beautiful kind of a ballet peach through it. And it is absolutely beautiful. Actually, the light here this morning is quite good, despite the fact that it's a bit variable. That is what colour it is. And this is Zotic. It's just this beautiful field colour, beautiful peach yarn. I've definitely gone for like the most kind of beautiful shades in the Olann this time, many of which are Jess's new colours. And then I have one more in this box before the chaos of the other box starts, because I did have a little box. And all of Jess's stickers say enjoy on them, and I'm like, yes, I'm enjoying this. This is my favourite yarn, I think, of all time. This is Middle of Nowhere. Like, I love green. I love everything about this one. So this is Middle of Nowhere. It's beautiful. And this one is Tellus, which again is that beautiful natural green colour. I actually think, with cognac I think this would be absolutely astonishing. Oh, look at those together. Beautiful. Mm-hmm. So that is Tellus. Go back into that box now. There are there's 1.2 kilos in all of those packs, and you kind of forget. You're like, oh, exhausting. Now, I had a bit of fun in this box. It's going to take me a little while to dig through here. I might just show you some of the colours in it, right, rather than bringing them all out. This is brackish. You can kind of see why I'm making something in that. That is just out of this world. This is an 80-20 base, by the way. It's 80 wool, 20 nylon. So it's still perfect for socks and everything, but it's a little bit more, there's a little bit more wool content in it than, say, something like a 75-25 nylon. That's brackish. This is beautiful as well. This is Torque, which is stunning. And that will go with some of the yellows that I've showed you earlier. They're really like, most of these will go on their own as well. They look beautiful in different shawls. Yeah, you can tell I was inside this last night going, I want some of these. Damn, the bag is happening now. Oh, this is beautiful. This is Druid. I sold out of this so quickly last time, I barely got to look at it. It's stunning, isn't it? It's just the most beautiful colour. And then this is Pagan. I think this is another absolute stunner. I do not know how Jess does. Of course I don't, nor should I. But that is just, it's got the most beautiful flashes of colour in it. And it's just been so beautifully shaded. It's an absolutely magnificent yarn. That's Druid and Pagan. Then these two are, this is Housed, which again, that beautiful autumnal gold colour. It's just amazing. And then I have Gold Digger, which is stunning. Who doesn't want this? You can tell that I was obviously in a kind of a gold autumn's mood when I was picking these out. Although I think I have pretty much all of the colours as well. This is Flynn, back in stock at last. Love Flynn, stunning. But you can tell, like, these are like, it's Jess's yarns are all pretty much yarns I would buy and want myself because they are all my own colouring. This is more Flynn. One more in here I haven't opened. I do. Oh. Sorry, this is a bit disorganised, but I want to do them like genuinely. Chimera, which I finally have back in stock, which is just beautiful. Amazing. And then I have this semi-solid, which is just gorgeous. This is Gloaming. I couldn't resist another semi-solid. Again, don't normally have them, but I just, you know, when you think, I also have matches for some of these, and I'll do pairings as well later on. Look at that version of that. That is a little bit more pink in it. Oh. And by the way, if you ever see a photo online and you want the ones in the photo, just give me an email. And if I have them, I will definitely try to get you the one in the photo if I can. The best way to get me is really anyway. I always have my phone with me, so I'm always pretty much ready to send yarn. No, I think these would be beautiful together. This is Macba. Excuse me, I'm so excited by the yarn. This is Macba. It's kind of an unusual one. I liked it. It looks like almost like magpies, which I thought was beautiful. And then this one, which is, I'll get two of them so you can see them better. This is Dusk. Isn't that just, it is dusk. Yes, it's that lovely pink. I'm trying to see if the light is doing it any favors in the camera this morning. It's just, yeah, you can see a few more semi-solids this time around. Let me see, as I root through the box, it's a big huge pack of brackish. And I think that this is the last one. Ghost Rider. Now, I know a lot of people have been looking for this. I can see people searching the site even now for it. Well, not right now. That would be a lie. But as you know, I've seen people searching for it over the last one because they know I'm in Olann stock. Some people are looking for it because this is the yarn that was used in the Hohi Locatelli pattern. I've lots of it in case anyone wants it. If you want it before I put it up, Let me know. What I do is if you order 2, again, I always say intermingle them every second row, but I always try to match to the most likely sort of combo. And if you order 2 and I only have 2 left and I don't think they're right enough, I will always email and say, do you want these, or do you want to swap them up for something else? So that is the Olann unboxing. There is yarn everywhere. Photographing, I would say tomorrow. I want to do them justice. We finally have the photography set up right, I think. Yarn is tricky. So yes, that's this unboxing. Definitely brackish, I think. Although I probably will ask everybody later on online which one you would like to see the sample in. Most likely this though. Do vote for brackish. And that's it. Thank you for coming to the Olann unboxing. Next unboxing, do you know, I don't know. I have a few things I'd like to order, but I'm not sure yet. Yeah. Right now it's going to be Olann photography, and probably, we'll probably do not an unboxing with the Banshee yarn. We'll just do a show and tell, because that's not in boxes. It's currently drying, although I brought it in just before this because I thought it was going to rain. It rained briefly and now it's dry again. So back out the line for Monday's update. There'll be Monday update on banshee.yarns.co.uk, and hopefully this will be up by tomorrow evening. If you're wondering when it is up, it'll be on Instagram first and Facebook. Thank you so much for watching. I will leave you with this beautiful image of Ghost Rider. Thank you all.